Hello friends and welcome to Faro DIY and Decor. If you're new to this channel, you're most welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. For today's project, I'm using Waverly White chalk paint. I got both of these frames from Joanne, but the color is a lot warmer than what I want, so I'm going to paint them white. After starting painting a section of these frames, I realized that the twisted section should remain the same color because it's just beautiful as it is. So I'm using paint in the small area of this project to see if the lines are going to look better. But I would like to continue this project without any tape on that section. To finish this beautiful project, I'm using a nail sander to de-stress the edges of these frames. I work so comfortably with the nail sanders because it has the metal inside it, which makes my work much easier than the paper sander. The second DIY that I want to share with you today is painting this beautiful table. This table is a little bit discolored on the top part. It's a very good one for a farmhouse look that I want, but I would prefer a white color in the farmhouse, so that's why I'm going to paint it white on the top section and the drawer. I'm going to put one portion of acrylic paint and 2 portions of chalk paint for this project because this is an aquarium table and I'm going to split water every now and then, so I don't want to ruin the paint. I needed a hand to move this aquarium so I could paint the entire table, but as I wasn't able to do it at the beginning, I painted half first, and after moving the aquarium I painted the whole table. I needed 3 coats of the mixture and applied 3 coats of wax on top of it. I hope this video was a little bit inspiration for your house, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already subscribed, and join the DIY and decor family. I post new videos every week, so don't forget to check my other videos as well. See you in my next video.